faculty member of School by Iied. Welcome everybody. Today I will talk about Android app development. The stuff is you cannot develop Android or web in just 3 hours. That's not possible. Android? Any idea what is Android? Yeah, actually, you know what? Android is not a device. Actually, Android is operating system like Microsoft Windows. Here is idea. Okay, this is a little bit like computer science stuff, but you don't need to worry about this. The basic idea is like this. Android, Google and his friend or her friends made Android operating system, but this is not from the scratch. No. It takes a lot of time. So have you heard about Linux? Please raise your hand. Linux is what? Very, very famous what? Public open software operating system, right? So hey, Google thought, okay, Linux is very, very good and the public. So let's start from there. So they use what? Linux kernel, bottom line, and then on top of basically, okay, you just know, you should know like what? Java, yeah, outside it's a copy, but in computer science, it's not copy. What? Java is what? Programming language. Okay? Basically, oh yeah, programming language, application written in Java. Okay, I don't know Java, that's fine, because what? I will show you some sample, very simple one. Okay. But after finish this bootcamp and when you go outside, you should know, oh, Android is operating system, several things, and then written in Java. Okay, Java is not copy. I mean, Java is copy, but in computer science, programming language. Okay? No MS-DOS. Yeah, I use it. Same way, what? Android is what? Operating system. So Android has version number 8, version number 6, XP. Android is like this. Old one, version number 1.5, 1.6, 2.1, 2.2. Now it is what? 4.1. So you can say, oh yeah, that is the same concept. Yeah, right? Windows has what? XP, Vista, 7 and 8. Same way. Okay? This is very interesting. Distribution, most of current your smartphone Android is actually here. Here, 2.3. Many. And then many is like this. Do you understand? So this is version number. This is like what? Code name. Like what? Windows, Vista, and there is some code name. We call it this kind of code name. And then API. What the heck API? I will show you. Hey, but you should know what? API number, small number means what? All the API. Big number is what? Listen to it. Okay? Now, this is like Android app development is like some kind of collection of several knowledge. So it requires many technology. This is the same as like what? These days, can you believe auto company, car manufacturer, they hire computer science as well. You know why? Not just mechanical. Because this day car is what? A lot of software control. So this day car is what? Not just mechanical, right? Mechanical engineering, computer science, electrical engineering, computer engineering, and then make a car. If you want to develop Android application, you need many things like this. What the heck? I said what? First Android app, you need what? Java development kit. So you need a Java. So you should know Java. And then Java need what? Compiler. So Java develop environment. So you need to install JDK. Okay, first tool you need. Next one is what? Eclipse. What is this Eclipse? Java is a language. But what? We need some develop environment. Like some tool to make a program, Java program. That is what? Eclipse. So Eclipse is what? Java development. tool. So you need to install Eclipse. Is that all? No, we didn't start Android yet. Next one is what? Android Software Development Kit. We call it SDK. Android SDK. Is that all? No, one more. I said Eclipse is what? Friend of Java. Android SDK is what? Android SDK. A little bit separate. We need what? Eclipse help to develop Android. So we need what? Android Development Toolkit. Hey, Dr. Ben, I'm lost. Yeah, what are you talking about? This is exercise. I think this is very hard. Learn the Eclipse tool on your computer. I said in your computer there is Eclipse, right? How can you run? Yeah, this is exercise. Find out. Now, I said what? Eclipse, JDK, and then I said what? Android SDK. Hey, what is SDK? Oh. Okay, great. Okay. Now, hey, I think many of you guys already did. Let me explain. For the Android development, what? We need 4 things, right? Java, JDK, Eclipse. Third one is what? Android SDK. That is SDK actually. Meaning, this is mine. Can you guess what the heck? Oh, hey, here. Can you see here? Android 4.2, Android 4.1. Oh, actually it shows what? All different versions. Okay? So, okay, in my computer I do know I have Eclipse, I have what? SDK. Understandable? Okay, very good. Very, very good. Now, hey, last one is what? We need what? Android Development Toolkit, ADT. That is the last one. How do I know my computer is installed what? ADT. How do you know? This is the idea. Hey, can you go to the Java Eclipse? Java Eclipse? Can you find out these small things? If yes, yeah, your computer has what? ADT. If it doesn't have, oh, your computer doesn't have. So can you see this guy? We talk about tools. Hey, how many tools for Android app development? How many? Four. What? First one is what? Java, JDK. Second one is what? Eclipse. Next one? SDK. Last one? ADT. Okay? So if you want to install all these 4 tools on your laptop tonight, good luck. This is ideal. We are talking about the Android app development, right? So when you make Android app, oh, I don't have an Android phone. My daddy never buy one for me. Or so how can you test your application, right? I don't have Android phone. Well, I'm trying to develop Android app. How can I run? Simulator. Yes, that is this guy. AVD, Android Virtual Device. So why don't you select this guy? This guy. Can you see here? I want to use simulator. What kind of simulator? If you want to make Nexus 7 simulator, do you want a Galaxy Nexus X, whatever? I like what? Maybe I like Nexus 1. So here, I'm making what? Simulator. So simulator, there are so many different types of Android device, right? So my goal is what? I want to make a simulator, Nexus 1. Make sense? And then, okay, this Nexus phone, there are many operating systems possible. What? Android version 1, version 2, version 3. Which one? I like this. That one. Okay? So if you, for example, if you want to develop very recent one, like what? Level 17. But I want to go to the here. version Android 2.2. Why? That is very stable, okay? Old one, but it's very stable. And then, okay, everything else you don't need to worry about. Then click OK. Oh yeah, I create my device. Is that all? No. Here. Start. Launch. Then what? This tool create simulate for you. Hey, this is my Android simulator. Now, hey, this is what simulator. You know what? Surprisingly, it works pretty good. Here, it shows what application. Okay, so these are applications. For example, browser. Then this is real phone. Like if you buy real phone, it looks like this. And then click. We wanna develop Android application. You know what? Android application is nothing but a what? We have Android phone. We want to develop software, download my software here, then I can use this software. For example, MP3 player. Oh, I like MP3 player and I enjoy my software here, desktop. But you probably wondering, can I what? Develop my MP3 player on the smartphone? Yes. Then you are able to develop here, right? Then download on the smartphone, then run it. Then you are able to listen to music. Now, you develop application. As I told you, this is what? Our device, right? Correct? Simulator. I just developed one application. I want to download it and then run it on my simulator. How? Hey, please go here. Hello, Android. Click this. And then what? Click right button. Right button. Right button. Can you see this kind of option? One of them is what? Run ads. Yeah, run ads. And then here, Android application. Please click. Android application. Then what the heck? Here, what happened? This guy show up. Oh! Do you understand what's going on? I just download my Hello Android application on my what? Simulator. Okay, so let's finish here. Thank you, everybody.
This is Dr. Tao. He's the director of both the IT department and also of the institute.
So I really want you to consider coming to the January 25th to 27th startup weekend. For example, although it's only one weekend, seems to be really short. How long does it take that 12 people to create Twitter about 4 years ago? How long does it take? 2 weeks. So if you have a good idea, good people, a few hours, you might change the world. So yeah. I want to thank Google, our friend Google in Silicon Valley. I want to thank Dr. Bian. I want to thank Mary Jo Zhang for this event. Thank you.